Hello guys, how are you? This session we are going to learn how to make a small game. Okay, this game uh, is about to look like a football game. Okay, it is a simple game. I have here the sprite cat. Okay, and I'm going to add a new sprite which is a soccer ball. Okay, and uh, I will add some blocks, okay, to make this sprite to shoot the ball, and the ball should go or enter inside the goal. Okay, so the simple game is about to make this sprite to just kick a soccer ball. Okay, first let's go to a new sprite and add a new sprite. Okay, let's make a ball soccer. Choose a ball soccer. So I have here two sprites, okay, the ball soccer and the cat. Okay. Um, After that, let's go and insert a new drop or backdrop. Okay, choose a backdrop, but choose a suitable backdrop for the goal. Let's be goal 1 or goal 2. Okay. So as you see, I have here the sprite cat and the pole soccer. Okay, but I have to small the soccer pole. Okay, so if we want to make the pole to be look like much more smaller, just let's go above from these commands and click on shrink and go back again to the pole and click to reach the size that you want. Okay, let it be the size it is suitable one. Okay, so we have here uh, the updated size of the pole. Okay, and the cat. Okay, so let's now to begin adding the blocks for the sprite cat. Okay, and after that, when we finish the sprite cat, let's go to the soccer pole. Okay, let's finish the sprite cat, but first don't forget to select the sprite cat. Okay, and let's begin adding the blocks where let the cat to be move. Okay, first let's go to the event script and add the block of when space key pressed, and we said before that you can change this key, okay, to any key you want. And to let the sprite, the cat move, as you know, let's go to the motion and take this block, and also we can increase the number of steps. Okay, the next step and the important one, I want the next custom of the cat to move its leg. Okay, to move its leg. Okay, because I want when the sprite move, I want its leg also move. Okay, so I have a next custom for this cat, and if I want to move to the next custom while moving, okay, let's add the block of next custom. And if you remember, let's go to the logs and take this one and put it here. Okay, okay. After that, I want if the sprite touch the pole, okay, I'll make this sprite to say goal. Okay, so I want to add the block which test if the sprite cat touch the soccer ball. So let's go to the control and get the block F then and put it here. Okay, and inside F, the empty box beside F, okay, let's add the touching block. Let's go to sensing and take this block and put it here. And from this option, let's choose ball soccer. This block, it means if touching ball soccer, it means if the cat touching the ball soccer. So what will happen then? Just I want to the cat to move to wait 1 second, and after that it will say goal. Let's change this word to goal and let it say in 10 seconds. Okay, guys, I put the wait block here because I don't want the cat to say goal when it touch the ball. Okay, I put wait 1 second because I want to give a chance for this ball to move and enter the goal. Okay, that's why I put this block for of wait for 1 second. Okay, let's move. Now I finished the blocks for this sprite, and let's move to the soccer ball. Okay, and let's us to put the blocks for it. Okay, and also I'll begin with event block this put this block when space key pressed. Okay, and when I press the space key here, I'll test if this ball touch the sprite cat. Okay, so let's go to the control and take the block F, and in this shape, okay, let's put the block of touching, and from this option, what shall we choose? Yes, sprite 1. That means if touching sprite 1, that means if the soccer ball touch the sprite, then what will happen? Simply if this ball touches the sprite cat, it will move into the goal. So let's go back to motion and take the move block and let it be 250. Okay, guys. And when you finish your game, okay, we will find here. Let's try. You see, I press the space keys. You see now, when the sprite cat touch the pole, it also moved to enter the goal. Okay, so if I want to go back and turn its sprite to if I want to turn it back every sprite to its position, let's go back like this by my hand, by mouse, okay, to its original position. But I want to do this automatically. What is the meaning of automatically? I mean when I press a specific key, each one of them will go back to its position. Okay, so to do this, simply let's go back to event and put this head block, but in this case I'll change to another key, let it be A. Okay, and let's go back to motion and take this block and stick it here. By the way, this block, guys, it means when I press the A key, okay, the sprite will go back to its position. The same for the ball soccer event, and I choose the same key as I chose for the sprite 1, okay, and go to motion and take this one. Okay, so let's try this game. You see, when I press the space key, it move until it reach the ball, then the ball entered into the goal. So if I want to get back, if I want to for this sprite 1 and the ball to get back to its position, just click or press the A key like this. Okay, and I told you while we were in our session that if you want to save your file, let's go to file menu and choose save as. Okay, choose the location where the file is going to be saved. Okay, and file name, choose the file name that you want, and after that let it be year 5. Okay, and press save. Okay guys, thank you and see you the next session.